Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best art kits are probably one of the most exciting and versatile gifts you can give to an 11-year-old girl, offering a gateway to creativity, self-expression, and hours of engaging fun, allowing them to explore different mediums, techniques, and unleash their inner artist with a curated selection of supplies designed to inspire and delight. Number 5. GirlZone Egg Surprise Galaxy Slime Kit. Embark on a cosmic adventure with this amazing slime kit. Create glow-in-the-dark slime that will light up your room and let your creativity shine. Mix and match over 20 fun add-ins like glitter and marshmallow for endless DIY fun. It's perfect for anyone who loves getting crafty with slime. The egg base cleverly transforms into a mixing bowl, making it easy to create anywhere. It's your all-in-one ticket to portable creativity, perfect for sleepovers or playdates. Keep your creations fresh with airtight containers, ready for play day after day. Add sparkle to your toy collection and enjoy making mementos that last. This kit makes a stellar gift for anyone who loves slime. Inspire imagination and creativity with a surprise toy that's truly out of this world. What we like. This kit offers a unique glow-in-the-dark slime experience, perfect for creative play. If you're looking for a fun, hands-on activity that sparks imagination and can be done anywhere, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for kids who love crafting and want to create something magical. What people say. It was packed full of a lot of supplies for an afternoon or 4 of slime making fun. Not too messy, not too sticky, and there was a large variety of additional mix-ins. They made 6 different types of slime. There was plenty of extras of the add-ins such as glitter, foam balls, shimmer confetti, etc. The instructions are really easy to follow. There are tons of supplies, so we were able to make lots of different slimes. The colors are great, the fragrances are alright, and the slime add-ins are wonderful. Number 4. FUTIMELY Boho Retro Stackable Rings. Embrace a touch of bohemian charm with our retro-inspired stackable rings. These versatile pieces are designed to be worn together or separately, allowing you to create your unique look. Designed for the modern woman, these rings add a stylish edge to any outfit. They are perfect for stacking on your knuckle, finger, or even your nail for a trendy statement. Featuring enchanting moon and star motifs, these rings bring a celestial vibe to your jewelry collection. Their cute and trendy designs are sure to capture attention. Make a statement with these preppy and stackable rings. Mix and match them to express your personal style and elevate your everyday look. Add a touch of trendy and chic flair to your ensemble with this collection. These pieces are the perfect cute stuff jewelry to complete any fashionable outfit. What we like. These rings offer a trendy and versatile boho retro aesthetic. If you love layering jewelry and want to add a touch of celestial charm to your outfits, this set is perfect. They are great for expressing personal style and adding a fashionable flair to any look. What people say. She loves the variety and sizes, some are adjustable. The stackable ring sets for women have some really cute designs, and I loved how they looked when I first got them. They're perfect for mixing and matching, and they add a stylish touch to any outfit. My daughter loved these. She's a teenager and they fit her perfectly. Rings. Number 3. Kinglucky Mini Karaoke Machine for Kids. Tired of arguments? This mini karaoke machine comes with 2 microphones, perfect for duets. It encourages teamwork and creates fun memories for kids. More than just a toy, this is a stage for your child to shine. It boosts their confidence and creativity as they sing and perform. Add excitement to any party with its built-in voice changer and colorful LED lights. It's a fun way to enjoy music and stay active. Designed for children, it's lightweight, durable, and easy to carry. The sturdy handle makes it great for travel and playdates. Setup is simple with Bluetooth connectivity. It makes birthdays and family gatherings more musical and enjoyable for everyone. What we like. This karaoke machine brings the party anywhere with its dual microphones and fun voice-changing effects. If you want to encourage singing, boost confidence, and provide hours of entertainment for kids, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for budding performers and family gatherings. What people say. The sound is surprisingly good for its size, and the built-in lights plus voice-changing effects make singing more playful and entertaining. Despite its compact size, it has a crisp and powerful sound that fills the room without any distortion. The sound quality is surprisingly clear and loud enough to fill a room without any distortion. Setup was super easy, just plug it in, connect via Bluetooth, and you're ready to sing your heart out. Number 2. Kids Piggy Bank ATM Machine. Introducing a fun and secure way for your child to start saving. This electronic piggy bank is designed to make saving an exciting adventure for kids. It features a 4-digit password for security, ensuring their hard-earned money is safe. A green light indicates the correct password, allowing easy access. Forgot the password? No problem. Simply remove the batteries for 15 minutes, and it resets to the default code, 0000. Watch as it automatically rolls banknotes into the machine, making saving convenient and engaging for little ones. Encourage your child to save pocket money in a planned way. This helps them develop essential money management skills from an early age. With a large capacity, it can hold up to 600 coins or 100 banknotes. It's also perfect for storing small toys, snacks, or secret notes. Looking for a special gift for a girl aged 5 to 10? This pink piggy bank is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. What we like? This electronic piggy bank is a fun way to teach kids about saving money with its secure, password-protected ATM design. If you want to help your child develop good financial habits in an engaging way, this is an ideal gift. It's perfect for encouraging planned saving and responsible money management. What people say. This safe seems to be better made and lasting longer. He also likes the different music it plays. This piggy bank is adorable and perfect for kids. My child loves putting coins and bills in it, and it's a fun way to teach saving money. My 6-year-old has been using this for about 9 months. So far it's been very durable with constant use and no issues with battery life, resetting passcodes, or functions not working. The instructions are very easy and it's simple to reset the lock if you forget the code. You can insert bills and coins, which is one of my child's favorite parts. Number 1. Bedside Shelf Organizer. Tired of cluttered nightstands? Introducing a simple solution to keep your essentials organized and within reach. It's perfect for holding your phone, remote, glasses, and more. This clever organizer maximizes your space, especially in lofts or RVs. Keep your bedside neat and tidy, eliminating the need for tabletops piled high with items. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this shelf is both sturdy and stable. Its thoughtful design includes drainage slots and convenient hooks for hanging small accessories. Set it up in minutes with no drilling required. The strong adhesive tape securely attaches it to your wall, capable of holding up to 10 pounds. Just ensure the wall is clean and dry. Ideal for bedrooms, dorms, apartments, or even your RV. This versatile organizer helps keep any space tidy and functional. Your purchase includes 1 wall shelf and 5 double-sided adhesive tapes. We're here to ensure you have the best experience with our product. What we like? This bedside shelf organizer is a brilliant solution for decluttering small spaces without damaging walls. If you need to keep essentials like phones, remotes, and glasses within easy reach, especially in dorms or small bedrooms, this is a must-have. Its simple design and easy installation make it incredibly practical. What people say. I keep my glasses, phone, earbuds, charging cords, TV remote, jewelry, chapstick, hair ties, and even the occasional late-night snack in it, and it holds everything with no problem. Installation was super easy, and it's been very sturdy with no issues of it falling. The plastic is thick and durable, which adds to its sturdiness. Ideal for keeping clutter off your bedside table. I can store my smaller tablet during the day to charge, and my phone overnight to charge. I can also store my small TV remote, and it is a perfect spot for my glasses to stay safe and accessible overnight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.